Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Today, I'm walking you through my real-world experience with the OPPO Pad 5 Pro. Its tagline says, it's a tablet, it's a computer, and after spending time with it, that statement actually makes a lot of sense.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Tech Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The unit I tried is the Dawn Gold version, and it looks and feels premium right away. It uses a sandblasted anodized finish that blends a subtle metallic shine with a soft matte texture. In hand, it feels smooth, resists fingerprints really well, and overall just feels perfect for everyday use, especially in warmer weather. On the front, you get a large 13.2-inch 3.4K display that looks incredibly sharp and vibrant. Since it's an LCD panel, it's a great option if you're sensitive to brightness or OLED flicker. You also get a 144 Hz refresh rate, along with Blue Focus Smart Eye Protection 5.0. Combine that with pastel mode and customizable display tuning, and you end up with a screen that reduces glare and reflections, making it comfortable for long sessions. What's impressive is that even with a massive 10,000 level battery inside, the tablet remains super slim and lightweight. It weighs just 637 grams and is only 5.94 millimeters thick, so carrying it around or using it for extended periods doesn't feel tiring at all. Pair it with the floating keyboard, and it quickly shifts from tablet to a full productivity setup. Thanks to the large display, the usable screen area feels very close to what you'd get on many lightweight laptops. Within the OPPO ecosystem, the overall office experience feels much more refined. The interface resembles a desktop layout, and the added toolbar makes it easy to open windows and switch between apps smoothly. Document management is also more advanced, with a 3-column layout that makes finding files quicker and more efficient. The keyboard itself is thoughtfully designed. It folds easily, and the large touchpad supports useful gestures like 3-finger screenshots, app switching, and navigation. The key travel strikes a nice balance, so typing feels comfortable and responsive, especially if you're already used to working on a PC. There's also a dedicated AI button on the keyboard. A single press activates the voice assistant, while a double press triggers a lighter AI mode that uses minimal memory. This can help with things like analyzing what's on your screen or quickly checking information like the weather, making everyday tasks faster. Running on ColorOS 16, the system feels smooth and responsive, with quick touch feedback. It supports features like 3-finger screenshots, split-screen multitasking, and seamless file transfers, all of which add to the productivity experience. To make things even more PC-like, OPPO includes the PC version of WPS and the professional version of Silhouette. With WPS, the layout matches what you'd expect on a computer, and you can open multiple documents at once, which is especially useful for working on spreadsheets or presentations. Silhouette also mirrors the desktop experience closely, making video editing much more straightforward. When it comes to connectivity, the OPPO Pad 5 Pro really stands out. It can pair with OPPO smartphones via NFC, allowing you to share data, mirror your phone's screen, and even control it directly from the tablet. On top of that, it also works with iPhones and computers, whether you're using macOS or Windows. By installing the OPPO Connect app, you can manage files, sync content, and even collaborate across screens, making it a very flexible device across different platforms. On this tablet, you can share your keyboard and mouse, extend your computer's display, or simply mirror your screen. Once everything is logged into the same account, it connects automatically, which makes the whole experience feel seamless. For example, even when you're outside, you can remotely access and control your office computer right from the tablet, which is incredibly useful when you need to handle urgent tasks on the go. With keyboard and mouse sharing enabled, the tablet basically turns into an extension of your computer screen, letting you control it directly with your mouse. You can even drag and drop files between devices, which really speeds up your workflow. But it's not just about productivity. The OPPO Pad 5 Pro is just as impressive when it comes to entertainment. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 processor, along with ColorOS 16, delivering top-tier performance.
Its AnTuTu score crosses 4.02 million, showing just how capable it is when it comes to handling demanding tasks and running popular games smoothly. In gaming, the tablet can hit a native 144 FPS, which makes everything feel incredibly fluid. Even during intense team fights, there are no noticeable lags or frame drops. While playing PUBG Mobile, you can enable high-quality visuals along with that native 144 FPS, making actions like aiming and firing feel extremely smooth and responsive. The Lingxi touch system ensures precise and stable controls, and even multi-finger movements feel effortless. Through the Game Assistant, you can further enhance the experience by turning on features like super frame rate, super resolution, and high refresh rate. For media consumption, the 13.2-inch 3.4K display really shines. The large, ultra-clear screen makes watching movies and shows a genuinely immersive experience. On top of that, the upgraded hi-fi audio and spatial sound add depth and clarity, making everything you watch or listen to feel more engaging. Battery life is another strong point. The OPPO Pad 5 Pro packs a massive 13,380 mAh battery. In real-world use, it only drops about 11% after an hour of usage, around 5% during an hour of video playback, and roughly 4% when browsing content. That means you can game, work, or watch without constantly worrying about charging. And when you do need to top up, the 67-watt fast charging gets you back up quickly, which is especially useful when you're on the move. With its large 13.2-inch display, it almost matches the size of a lightweight laptop. Pair that with OPPO's voice interaction and the floating keyboard, and it becomes a solid option for light office work. Switch back to tablet mode, and you've got a powerful entertainment device with a big screen and long-lasting battery that easily handles both gaming and media. Overall, this is a device that genuinely goes beyond expectations. It really delivers on the idea of being both a tablet and a computer, offering a strong balance between productivity and entertainment. In terms of performance and control, it comes close to a PC, while still being thinner and more portable. If you often need to work while traveling or outdoors, the OPPO Pad 5 Pro can be a seriously useful tool. And this is just my first impression. I'll be sharing a full detailed review after the official launch on April 21st, so if you're interested, make sure to subscribe and join us for more tech content. See you in the next video.